Good morning, good morning. It's pretty cold. 6 degrees apparently. Yeah. It's one way to clean the gutters. Stick a drain pipe on your Hoover. I prefer the fireman's way. Gut step, it's a proper machine then. It's not your average, you know, Dyson. Not a good start. Oh, see the squirrel? Hey, hello. So cute when they oh no, there's a terrier. Careful, Mr. Squirrel. Hello, boss. Hello. He don't want to go, does he? Oh, take me round again, Mum. Try and find a bit of wildlife today, as we've had a start like that. Yeah, the crows would be happy with dog biscuits. I try and save them till the evening because you know, they're for foxes really, in case you bump into any foxes. This is a little bit tight, just have to focus a bit. I've never clipped it, probably will now live. Oh, there we're good. It's a bit tight. So if you had something like a breeze or something, yeah, I don't think you get through that one. These are just that little bit more manoeuvrable. Breeze is big. I'd like to go along the river. Last time I was going to go along the river, it was flooded and I didn't fancy it. It was so cold, and there's a risk, you know. If I'd have broken down, splashed my ECU or something, thing's going to stop when it's so cold. I didn't want to get stranded, so I just turned around and went back. Sometimes it's smart to play it safe. When the sun goes down, they reckon it's going to be like 0 or -2 or something. So I want to get back before we completely lose the sun today. I can't ride all day. That's, you know, to be out that long, that means I'm going to have to park up and do something, you know. Hopefully I'll find something worth filming. It'll eat a couple of hours. Doesn't seem, oh, they are. Just seeing if there is any. Ah, here they are. Like, where's all the duckies? Look at them all. Where? So they know me. Often come past here. Oh. Give the duckies a little treat. They do get, you know, things like bread and stuff. And it's not really what they need. This is proper poultry feed. Wow, there's a lot more here than there was last time I came. I hadn't been out for over a week. Well, I've put my big jacket on. I came out to, well, I went out to load the buggy. And you're good, go on. That was nice of her. I was going to go round the back, you know. People don't know that I can climb curbs. I don't do it for fun, but this will do it. Couple of crows. Never done them here, so no singing. So okie dokie, we got a pushchair. We'll just sweep round, go the other side. I've been doubling back a tad. Or take the road. I don't want to take the road. This is a way nicer side to drive on anyway. Look at all the leaves down. So, I mean, it's proper chilly. I have seen bands in town in the winter before. They had a little heater. The old element heaters up there. Industrial, that's fair. Seems strange to, you know, try and heat the environment. I guess if you stand in front of it, it'd be alright. And well, the council supplies the power there, so might as well, I suppose. I don't know why. Is my cushion on? Yeah, I've got cushion on. Just everything feels uncomfortable. Might be because I haven't been out for a few days. Got a runner coming, just put the gas on a bit. As this is a cycle lane, no one around, no bikes. Beautiful day. Well, you know, colour wise. It's just, if it wasn't so cold, it would be lovely. I haven't done my jacket up. I'm starting to feel it a little bit. I might have to bolt it up tight because there's a wind. Ooh, a couple of jays. Where'd they go? Maybe I should break out the camera just in case. So there's not many jays in this town. Oh, I think they've gone over that way. So I get to know them, and they're actually they're a little bit friendlier than the crows, like the magpies. The magpies will come, well, the ones I know, come much closer in than the crows will. Crows have got a bigger, call it a comfort zone or whatever. There we go. Don't go back in the shade. that's a pigeon. I thought that was the buzzard coming in and buzzing me again. Buzzed by a buzzard. That's what happened. I was coming along here and he swooped down. No, it took me hat off. I've got crows that do that. They make it loud and clear that they're here or want something. I've had, you know, they sit in the path, won't let me by. The crows, cheeky monkeys. Oh, there's a popping magpie. Dana. They sit. Oh, there's a robin as well. I didn't bring any little bird seed, but what I've done, I've mixed some little bird seed in with the duck seed. So yeah, I'll put some of that down. Little birds will eat the bigger seed. It's a rather sorry looking football. Alright. I get it. I'd probably be doing the same if I was on one of these. Certainly probably be walking along here. And for me, this is a far nicer way to drive into town. Wildlife and all the colours. The sun is bright. Lovely. Right. I'm slow, getting slower and slower. Just enjoying it all. It's lovely fresh air. Okay. I can just smell flowers and plants, you know, it's beautiful. And I've got this rattle. That doesn't happen on my other machine. I can't figure out where it is. It's down there somewhere. If I put my foot in the hole, it stops. Usually. I think it might be the actual foot plate sort of stands up and over the wheel. It might be the foot plate that's loose up there. So something's rattling. I like it to be silent so I can sneak up on the critters. I don't know if you can see, but there's something unusual in that tree up ahead. Weird shape. So we've got a hot flask, and I know it's going to be fine for a few hours. Well, it'll probably be fine when I get home. It'll still be hot if I didn't use it, but yeah, highly recommend proper thermos flask. Don't buy one of these cheaper imports. Ooh, no, they just don't keep the water on warm. I carry hot water, you might have seen in my previous videos. And That's my strategy. So the hot water on its own seems to stay hot longer than having coffee in there, for one. It doesn't make the flask stink, so you know that can create an end of life situation when the flask just gets too stinky and horrible, stained. So all my flask ever has in it is hot water, so it's forever kind of cleaning it, if you know what I mean. I still whack it through the dishwasher. Another thing you do, one of my friends told me, you can stick tin foil under your cup, over the lid, under your cup. Seems to make a difference, I must admit. I couldn't see that it would help myself, but it does, amazingly. But another thing that really helps, just get a thermal sock and slide it over your flask. That will help keep it warm when it real gets cold. I mean, because I'm filming more now, you know, vlogging my trips and things, sometimes I go out and I just have it looping, you know. Football. Buzzard right there. Look, you saw him come over the top of me. I want to get a shot of him in that tree. Get a little clear angle. He's probably going to do a bunk as soon as he catches wind of me. No. He's holding at the moment. Get the camera on, get the zoom on. Where are you? Is that him? I think that's him there, yeah. Oh! Oh! I got a photo of, all I got was a photo of him in flight. Oh well. Can't complain, it's something. Buzzards around here. Red kite are even worse, they're so shy. Blackbirds, male and a female, robin. Another blackbird. Hello. Male on his own. Do like that tree. So this has all been hacked back after winter. It's all fresh, ready for the new growth. Oh, squirrel. I spooked him a bit. He wasn't expecting me to pop round that corner. Pigeon in a tree. I have so many shots. Pigeons in a tree. It's got to be doing something special. Robin, crow, dunnock. Hello, little dunnock on the fence. Shall I see if I can get a snap? Oh, look, he went. Grr. Hello, crow. The crow like a treat, I'm sure. You're getting this. Hello. You're getting this. Hello. So yeah, left a few peanuts on the end of that. See? Should we go for a little bit of an ease in? Oh, magpie as well. Cheeky. Another tree game, guys. What is it? Oh, I just wonder if, you know, just need to give these guys some work. Well, this time of year, you know, the leaves disguise everything. You've got to watch out for holes, glass, you know, roots, everything that you'd usually drive around you can't see. Helps when you've done that route before, because you can miss the roots. Glass can just turn up anywhere, so you can imagine. You don't want to be running over glass. I've run over it by accident many times and nothing's happened, but other times I've hit it and instant flat. Don't like flats, especially on the back. That's a bit sticky over there. We're going to give that a miss. It's far too cold for getting stuck. Hello! Look at these two here. I can't do the usual feeding spot. It's just too wet. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Follow me in a bloody tree. With a black number. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Hey, give him a little boost with the cold. See, we lost the battery light. That wouldn't usually happen on such a short trip. Because of the cold. In case I don't use it, I'll say it again. You can lose up to 70% in freezing conditions. It hammers the batteries in everything, even the GoPro's showing it's cold. Whee! We got blues, you see him? Call someone. Got focus, it's dangerous here. Have they tagged your mate?
Pardon?
Have they tagged your mate?
Huh?
I see you looking down here. Have they tagged your mate?
Yeah.
What's he on then?
125.
Is he legal?
Should be, yeah.
Oh, he should be alright
I think
then.
it's his rear L plate or something.
Oh, right. Pulled him for that. What, he had a front one and not a back one?
No, he's got a back one, but you can't really see it too much.
Right, okay. Alright, you take care, man. Come.
Thank you.
No worries, mate.
How do you get through there alright?
Ah, yeah, I'll be alright. That one, different. This is rear L plating.